Yeah. Hello, everyone. On every table, there is a placard being kept. If you turn it over, the one side of the placard has a schedule, and on the other side, there are instructions for the quiz. So the quiz, which is just getting set up, if you could just flip the page over and follow the instructions, I think it will just start in about 2-3 minutes. अगर क्विज खेलना है और जीतना है सो बाय द वे लेट मी टेल यू देर आर एक्साइटिंग प्राइजेस फॉर द क्विज एंड इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी इजी it is a game of not only knowledge but speed. So there is a software. I don't know, Priyank, if you already thought of saying all this, and I'm just interrupting. But I thought while you're setting it up, it's good to give some, awareness about how the quiz is going to be played. So there is a website. I mean, there's a link there which you can open on your Chrome on your phones. And there's a code which Priyank will display in some time, which once you enter the code, you will basically enter that quiz. And as the questions keep coming, you answer them, but I make sure that you answer them as soon as possible. Because the marking or the points are being given not only on the right answers, but the fastest answer. And that's how, and it is going to be a neck-to-neck competition. Normally these quizzes, which Priyank has run in the past also, these quizzes are very interesting, very high energy, and very competitive. So bring your all Bollywood knowledge up front. Do not use Google. A sincere request to all of you. So please don't use Google, because Google use करके फायदा भी नहीं होगा. By the time you'll get the answer, somebody would have given you, would have lost the time advantage. So yeah. Bing, Google, Chat GPT, nothing. No, nothing can be used. And there are exciting prizes, so make sure you go for it.
All right, guys, let's get started with this. कौन बनेगा Bollywood king or queen? So this is a game of knowledge, speed, and guesswork, of course, like any quiz, right? Pick up your phone, go to kahoot.it, K-A-H, it should be there, the spelling should be there, and enter the pin code. Anybody is facing difficulty, please ask Reggie or Kishle. They will be helping you out. Anybody who cannot log in, everybody should be log in, give a name. You don't have to give your real name, whatever you want to give. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. In, everybody in. Anybody not in? You want to log in? Okay, everybody is in. Anybody who's not in? Okay, keep it fair. Anybody can win it. I have seen people, who's behind also coming up. There are 3 rounds. 3 rounds, and there are different kind of points for these rounds. And then a lot of calculations are done by the game. Like the software itself does the calculation, depends on when you are kind of answering the question. The first round is Ishq round. So अर्ज किया है. क्या अर्ज किया है? वो इश्क की क्या जो पागलपन की हद से ना गुजरे. वो इश्क की क्या जो पागलपन की हद से ना गुजरे. होश में तो सिर्फ रिश्ते निभाए जाते हैं. So let's get started, guys. You have to guess. Okay. Start the game. I think come. Yeah, click to the start. Yeah, start. Still logging in? Okay. It's okay. Okay, we will give it another minute. You should be logged in. Everybody. Anybody who's not in, we're going to start anytime. Okay, we'll give it another minute. Everybody should be participating. We have 2 prizes for it, which I have left at home. I'll give you later. Okay, let's get started. Binu, you are in? Okay, let's get started. So first round is Ishq round. It's going to be a silent round because you will see a scene of a movie, of a song. Soon you will see it. Now, it's there on your phone also, right? So look at your phone. It's the same thing what you're seeing in the projector is there on your phone also. Shuru kare? Anybody who's not in? Everybody's in. Venkat, you can team up with your wife. It's okay. Okay. You never know. You can win it. I'm telling you. I've seen like there are a lot of versions of this game. Like I have an Independence Day version. I have like different, of course, based on different themes. Okay, good to go? All right, let's get started. First round is Ishq. Let's get started. Start again. Next. Round 1, question 1. We have 5 questions in. I'm telling you, you'll be surprised. Don't underestimate yourself. I'm telling you, all those knowledge of watching Bollywood for decades is there in you. Let's go to the next, please. Let's look at the scoreboard. Who answered first? Oh my God! Nidhi, Anchal, Gagan, Shanta, Shalini, awesome. So all of them you can see neck to neck. Okay. So who's gonna sing that line for me? प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ प्यार से फिर क्यों लगता है दिल. All right, let's go to the next round. Next question. Okay. Everybody's done. The right answer, only 7 people got the right answer. जिया ओ जिया कुछ बोल दो जब प्यार किसी से होता है. देवानंद and who else? आशा पारिक, रफ़ी साहब ने गाया है गाना. कौन गाएगा इसकी 2 लाइनें? All right. I'm sorry, I would like to get the mic. We don't have that wireless thing working. I'd like to bring it to all the, whoever is getting it right. Let's go to the next one, please. Next question. So let's look at the, okay, Nidhi is still leading, wow. Shanta is still neck to neck, Meetu and Gagan. Wow, Gagan, I'm impressed. Okay, let's go to the next one, please. Don't give up, my friend, I know. You never give up. I'm impressed. 14 people got this right. बहुत बहुत लोगों ने प्यार किया हुआ लग रहा है, हाँ? कौन गाएगा ये गाना? बीनू? हो जाए? Excellent, excellent. Let's look at the scoreboard again. All right. Okay, Shanta. So is it like, can we get the screen? Shanta is leading or Nidhi is still leading? Okay, Shanta got it faster. Oh my God. Nidhi, do something. ये क्या हो रहा है? I'm telling you, it's going to get harder and harder. Okay? Okay, go to the next one, please. ये नया गाना है. Okay, the right answer is तुम्हें अपना बनाने की कसम खाई है. Who's gonna sing this song? कौन गाता है? आजा यहाँ कर गा. Come. दिल से, बिल्कुल दिल से. और निधि की तरफ देखकर. Okay?
तुम्हें अपना बनाने की कसम खाई है, खाई है.
मतलब बीवी को छोड़ के सब लड़कियों की तरफ देख. Okay, point. Let's see who is. Oh my God, Nidhi, you're a fighter. Wow. Let's go to the next one, please. Wow. This was the best actually so far, right? One of the best. पहला पहला प्यार. I just want to know किसने मेरे रंग में रंगने को. Okay, again, yeah, this was like those Madhuri days. Like, I will say 50% of India was in love with her, right, during those days. Of course, M.F. Hussain like saw that movie 80 times. That's the rumor. Oh, of course, I was. Yeah. कौन गाएगा ये गाना? Actually, we had a singer today. Unfortunately, he fell sick. Nitin. He's a very good voice, and he was supposed to sing, and he could not come. But I would really love somebody to come here and sing 2 lines of this. Anybody? Come. Yeah, come. Yeah. That's my friend Makaran. Big round of applause for Makaran.
Thanks, thank you. पहला पहला प्यार है, पहली पहली बार है, जान के भी अनजाना ऐसा मेरा यार है. हो पहला पहला प्यार है.
He's a meditation practitioner who's teaching me meditation. आजकल दिमाग की शांति के लिए मेरी. Okay. All right. Okay, let's go to the next round, please. ऐसा ना करो दोस्तों. थैंक यू, थैंक यू. किसी किसी ने सच्चे मन से दुआ दी है. चलो, लेट्स लुक एट द स्कोर बोर्ड. अरे निधि, आंचल, शांता, ओ माय गॉड, शोश, वाओ, गगन, बीनू, excellent, excellent. Let's go to the next round. Now it's getting interesting. So this is the दिल round. तो दिल के बारे में क्या बोलना है? दिल चीज क्या है, आप मेरी जान लीजिए. सिर्फ एक बार मेरा कहा मान लीजिए. Okay, let's get started with the दिल round. Double points, folks. Double points. So, okay, the speed will matter. Okay. Okay, excellent. So you have to convert that into Hindi and map it to a movie. All right, only four, right? I can see it right. 4 winners. The movie is, of course, Main Khiladi Tu Anadi, and the song is Aja, Aja. Dance करके बिल्कुल शिल्पा शेट्टी वाला डांस.
चुरा के दिल मेरा गुड़िया चली न न न न उड़ा के निंदिया कहाँ तू चली.
Lovely, lovely. Love you. Big round of applause for her. Okay, let's look at the scoreboard. Wow, Gagan! Gagan Chumbi. Nidhi is not giving up. Still Shanta, Shush. Okay, the race is on. Okay, let's see. Let's go to the next one, please. Double points again. All questions are double points. Again, you have to translate into Hindi. अरे बहुत बड़े बड़े आशिक बड़े Everybody, this was like best scoring. सब चुपके चुपके सुनते रहते हैं, मुझे लगता है हर थोड़े दिनों में ये गाना. आशिकी का गाना है ये, of course. कौन गाएगा? Anybody? आजा.
धीरे धीरे से धीरे धीरे से मेरी जिंदगी में आना, धीरे धीरे से दिल को चुराना, मुझे प्यार हमें है कितना जाने जाना,
तुमसे मिलकर तुम्हें है बताना. कभी गाया, कभी किसी के लिए आपने ये गाना? Okay, all right. Big round of applause for him. Okay. Let's go to the next one, please. Hindi to English translation, that's the key, and then mapping it to a movie. क्या बात है, क्या बात है. दिल तो पागल है. Excellent, excellent. I'm impressed actually. This was an excellent, excellent song by Asha Parekh actually, right? From Dil To Pagal Hai. कौन गाएगा यहाँ पे आकर? दो लाइनें. Anybody? I want a girl to come here. Come. This was like excellent choreography by, and then Karishma Kapoor did a phenomenal job. I think Saroj Khan was the choreographer, if I remember correctly.
I don't know the lyrics either. What the lyrics? दिल ले गई. Oh. मुझको हुई न खबर, चोरी चोरी चुप चुप कर, अब प्यार की पहली नजर, हाय ले गई, दिल ले गई, दिल ले गई.
Big round of applause for her. Excellent. Okay, let's go to the next one. Gagan is, oh my God, Gagan. क्या बात है 20. I think 20 is the highest number so far. People got it right. 24 was the highest? Okay. All right. So this is, of course, which song? कौन गाएगा? I want a male person to come here. आ जाओ आप आ जाओ. कपिल जी आ जाओ. Big round of applause for Kapil ji. दिल से गाओ. और
दिल राउंड में दिल से. चलो. मेरा दिल भी कितना पागल है, ये प्यार तो तुमसे करता है, पर सामने जब तुम आती हो, कुछ भी कहने से डरता है. ओ मेरे साजन, ओ मेरे साजन. थैंक यू.
Big round of applause. Awesome. So let's look at, oh my God, Kaushiki, great. Either. Which Kaushiki? Kaushiki is there, right? Wow. So Gagan, Nidhi, Shanta, Khayal, ये कौन है भाई? नाम है या सिर्फ ख्याल है? क्या है? Who is Khayal? या ख्यालों में ही है? Okay. Round 2, last question. Woohoo! Wow. Pardes, of course. Who can forget that song from Shah Rukh Khan, right? ऐसा क्या? Come on, Sapnil. बिल्कुल रोमांटिक मूड में, शाहरुख स्टाइल में, ओके?
ऐसे पहले दो दिल मिल रहे हैं, मगर चुप के सबको हो रही है, हाँ सबको हो रही है खबर, चुप के हो.
दो दिल मिल रहे हैं. क्या बात है स्वप्निल. बहुत अच्छा गाया, बहुत सुर में गाया आपने. Looking forward to your performance actually today. Okay, let's go to the Gagan Chumbi is again Gagan Chumbi. Nidhi Anchal, wow, Shanta, Kaushiki and Khayal. ये ख्याल कौन है बॉस? मैं ये ओके ठीक है कोई बात नहीं. 5th प्राइज वैसे भी नहीं है अभी. यादें. सो थर्ड राउंड इज यादें. वो अगेन अर्ज किया है, थम के रह जाती है जिंदगी जब बरसती हैं भरपूर यादें. सो यादें राउंड इज द हार्डेस्ट राउंड इन माय ओपिनियन. Okay, and you will just hear music and you have to guess the music director. This is where rubber meets the road, guys. This is where the quiz gets hard. No negative points. लेकिन एक ही बार चूज कर सकते हैं आप. You cannot undo that. Again, ध्यान से सुनिए. एक दो क्वेश्चन गलत भी हो जाए because again, I'm telling you, this round changes everything. A lot of times I have seen that. Not every time I keep it, but I'm pretty sure in this it will happen. Okay, let's get started with the Yadi round. Who got this right, actually? I'd really like all 6 people to raise their hands, actually. Wait a minute. Nidhi got it right. Kanika, you got this right. Oh, Anu. Vineet bhai, you got this right. Wow, this is impressive, actually. This is very hard. And you got this right. This is and you got this right. From movie Saranga, it's a very old movie. This song is sung by Rafi Sahab and Mukesh both. And music was given by Sardar Malik, who was father of Anu Malik, you know. Saranga teri yaad mein. Let's go to the next one. I hope next one will be easy. Let's look at that. Oh my God, Nidhi God. See, look at that. Nidhi and Gagan. Okay. Wow, 6 people got it right. Who are the 6 people who got it right? You got it right? Anna got this right. Okay. This was definitely not there in Mera Naam Joker, I can tell you that. That's the only movie she has seen. Who got it right? Here? Anybody? You got this right. Wow. And you got that right. Wow. Excellent. All right. So, कौन गा सकता है ये गाना यहाँ? It's a lovely Rafi number. Shankar Jaikishan, Dilek Mandir, Rajendra Kumar, Meena Kumari. This was like a beautiful, beautiful number. आप गाने आ रहे हो? नहीं. कौन गा सकता है ये गाना? संजीव जी, क्या बात है? Give big round of applause. This is a very, very good number actually. याद न जाए बीते दिनों की जाके न आए 2 दिन दिल क्यों बुलाए हमें दिल क्यों बुलाए क्या बात है great job बहुत बढ़िया okay let's look at the scoreboard now we're moving towards the end of that quiz like there are 3 questions left Gagan is leading Nidhi Binu Shush Shanta wow okay let's go to the next one please no I'm telling you the question it can change again just stay focused just I'm telling you anybody can come
मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया
Who got that right? I want to see those people. 9, is it 9 or 3? What is it? 9. No, no. What? Only one got it right. Okay, one got it right. Yeah, this was like a one film wonder. Jaydev. I mean, this was unbelievable music he gave in this movie. हम दोनों movie का जो गाने हैं. Let's see the scoreboard. No, but third point actually. You know, the difference is decreased, right? It's almost 1,000. Okay, cool. कौन गाएगा गाना ये? Anybody? Yeah, come.
मैं जिंदगी का साथ निभाता चला गया, हर फिक्र को धुएं में उड़ा, हर दुख को धुएं में उड़ाता चला गया. Thank you.
Wow, wonderful, wonderful. Great job, great job. It's a lovely number, very nice. Round 3, question 4. Again. Focus quickly. Twelve people got it right, which is great. Anybody can tell me the movie? Julie, of course, Julie. And I think that was the best work of Rajesh Roshan. He got a Filmfare Award for that. And after that, I think he did Yarana. That was the best music by him, right? Let's look at the scoreboard. Nidhi. Binu. Shush, wow. Gagan is 4th. And Khayal, who is Khayal, boss? कोई तो है. But look at that, up 7 places. Anupam is the highest climber. Look at that. Sorry. Okay. Let's look at the next one. Question 5. This is the last question, guys. Six people got it right. This, I think, who are the 6 people? I would like to see their hands. You got... ये क्या हो रहा है बॉस? इनको साथ नहीं बिठाना. बहुत discussion हो रहा है. Anyway, let's look at the score. Look at the podium. Who is the winner? Wow, Shush is the winner. And Nidhi. Come, Vinu. All 3 of them, please come here. Vinu, Shush, and Nidhi. Great job, boss. All 3 girls. Okay, I will. No, it's okay. I love it. Great job. Your gift will be sent to you, okay? Delivered. Okay, all right. All right, I hope you enjoyed that. Big round of applause for Gagan. All the boys. Okay. How many people played? Actually, I do not know that, but I think I'm assuming that probably like 40, 50 people must have played, right? Like, yeah, I think. Okay. So here's the claim. He's claiming 31 people played. Great job, Binu, Shush, and Nidhi. Anyway.